problem area is sustainability and specific food waste. So as you can see, our end user stakeholder Beth only has some potatoes, some bread, some peanut butter and some in our cupboard and some onions in her fridge. So most people would go to the shops and buy some new ingredients, which you can do with our app. However, our app encourages that you use the ingredients you already have. If you do go to the shops, then you want to make sure that you take the receipt and then you can type all those ingredients into the pantry, and then our app can generate some things for you. So on the right we see our end user Beth creating a stir fry from a recipe generated from her ingredients, and on the left you can see we're using the pantry page. So there's 4 tabs at the bottom. We've got the food stack, pantry, carbon footprint and blacklist, which are each a new set of functional requirements. So in our pantry page you can search or scroll for a food, and then you can type in the amount that we have so that it can be minus when you use it in a recipe, and the end by date so that we can notify you if you need to use an ingredient quickly. And then here, if we go on to back to the pantry, you can see everything in our pantry, and you can freeze the onions and unfreeze them so that our app can prolong the use by date. Now if we go to our feed stack, on the bottom left icon you can see a list of recipes is generated, and we have loads of recipes. The ones at the top have more ingredients used. So if we scroll all the way down to the bottom, we see this crouton recipe, and if we had the butter, sourdough bread, garlic powder, then that would be closer to the top. So if we scroll back up, then we can see the top recommended recipe